Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Gather supplies and prepare your workspace before beginning the fish on paper project. Use an 5x 11-inch sheet of paper, scissors, glue stick, pencil, ruler, eraser, and a set of markers or a small watercolor set. Protect your table with a 12x 18-inch craft mat or scrap paper. If you want a sturdier fish, choose 200 GSM cardstock or glue 280 GSM sheets together and let dry 10 minutes. Arrange colors, a fine black pen for details, and a bowl of water if using watercolors. Start by lightly sketching a fish shape on your paper. Make the body about 6 inches long and 3 inches at the widest point with a small tail notch. Draw a center fold line and score it 1/4 inch from the top edge to help shape the body into a slight curve. Use scissors to cut the outline carefully, then add 2 fin shapes roughly 1 inch by 3/4 inch each. Cut a tail slit about 3/4 inch long, so the tail can fan when glued later. Paint or color the fish starting with a base coat, using watercolor or marker, and allow about 5 minutes to dry between layers. Create scales by stamping with a 1/4 inch circle or by drawing overlapping semicircles with a brush tip. Add details with a fine black pen. Draw an eye about 3.5 mm in diameter and 3 gill lines at a 45-degree angle behind the eye. Attach the fins with a dab of glue and fold the body along the scored line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.